Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share my personal take on Digistore24 platform. It's essentially a marketplace that allows both product creators and affiliates to make money online. Whether you're looking to sell your product or promote other people's products, Digistore24 offers a great opportunity to earn. And guys, just to let you know, my name is Mahesh Opari from Kolabik, and for over 6 years, I've been making a full-time living online through affiliate marketing, driving traffic, promoting the right products, and building an email list. I've seen countless strategies which come and go, and after testing many, I found a simple 3-step internet formula that works. This formula has generated over 25,000 plus leads and thousands of dollars in profits for me. Ready to get started? Just for $1, grab the system from the second link in the description down below, and you'll also get a special invite to my community and a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free, but only for the first 500 members. So please make a note, there are limited slots available, so don't miss out guys. Let's get started on our journey to consistent online income. Alright guys, now let's move on with today's review on Digistore24. And guys, if you are a product creator, you can list your products on Digistore24 and have affiliates promote them for you. For example, if you have created a fitness course, you can put it up on the platform and let affiliates drive sales for you. On the other hand, if you are an affiliate looking to make money online, Digistore24 offers a wide range of products across various niches that you can promote. So you can earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. Now, while Digistore24 is a legitimate platform with plenty of opportunities, there are some pros and cons you should consider before diving in. Let's talk about the pros first. Digistore24 is a well-established platform with good customer service, and also it provides a large marketplace with numerous products to promote, offering something for everyone. And last, the platform is practically user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced marketers to navigate. And when we talk about the cons, one downside is that not all products on Digistore24 are of high quality, and this is common across similar platforms, but it's something to be aware of. And also, some vendors might not offer the best products, leading to higher refund rates and potential dissatisfaction from customers. And guys, if you are new to affiliate marketing or struggling to make money online, I've got a resource that can help you out, and I'll link it in the first link in the description. So go get registered and watch my free masterclass. From this free masterclass, you'll get success stories, and it teaches you the fundamentals of online business. Whether you want to succeed with Digistore24, ClickBank, or any other platforms, the skill you'll learn there will be invaluable. All right, now, for example, when promoting products on Digistore24, it's important to pick something in a niche you are knowledgeable about. If you are into fitness and know how to lose belly fat, you might want to promote a product in the health and wellness niche and use your expertise to create a compelling content that resonates with your audience. Alright guys, in terms of my experience, Digistore24 is a legitimate platform similar to ClickBank with a lot of opportunities for both vendors and affiliates. However, you should be selective about the products you choose to promote. I remember when I first heard about Digistore24 a few years ago, I received a lot of comments from people complaining about certain products they purchased. They had issues with refunds and felt misled. And also with affiliates also, they have lost their accounts. Why? Because they used to have dual accounts linked to the same bank account. I myself have lost around $3,000. I've already created a video long ago in the year 2021, or it may be on 2020. So you can please watch that video. I'll just link it in the description down below. And guys, as I dug deeper, I realized that not all products on Digistore24 are top-notch. This is because they are offered by independent vendors, some of whom might not maintain the highest standards. So this can lead to confusion and frustration among customers, especially if they don't fully understand the terms of purchase. For example, let's say a customer buys a weight loss supplement that doesn't live up to the hype. They might blame Digistore24, even though the platform is just the intermediary. That's why it's important for affiliates to promote only products they believe in, and for vendors to ensure their products are genuinely valuable. And the good news is that Digistore24 has responsive customer support. If a customer isn't satisfied and seek a refund, Digistore24 typically steps in to resolve this issue. However, this doesn't mean all vendors are created equal. If you are an affiliate, it's crucial to check the refund rates of the products you are considering promoting. For example, if a product has a refund rate of around 5%, that's generally a good sign. Anything under 1% is excellent and suggests that customers are satisfied with this purchase. And this is something I didn't pay much attention to when I started out, but it's vital for long-term success. And guys, when selecting products to promote, don't just go for the highest commissions. Instead, focus on promoting products that offer real value to the customer. If you have experience in a specific niche, use the knowledge to select products that align with your expertise. For example, if you are a tech enthusiast, look for gadgets or softwares that you personally use and trust. If you are into health and fitness, find supplements or training programs that you know deliver real results. By promoting products that you genuinely believe in, you are not only likely to make more sales, but also build trust with your audience. And guys, as for promoting these products, there are several effective methods. First one and very important is YouTube content. So create detailed video reviews of the product you are promoting. For example, if you are promoting a muscle building supplement, create a video where you discuss its benefits, how it works, and your personal experience with it. You can also compare it with other popular supplements to provide your audience with a comprehensive view. And second one is PPC advertising. For those with a bit more experience, PPC, nothing but pay-per-click advertising, is another option. Platforms like Google Ads or Microsoft Ads allows you to target specific keywords related to the product you are promoting. So this can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers, but it does require an investment of time and money. So at last, I would like to conclude saying Digistore24 is a legitimate platform with great opportunities for both product creators and affiliates. However, it's important to do your due diligence when selecting products to promote or list. Focus on quality over quantity and always consider the customer's experience. Remember, the success of your affiliate marketing efforts hinges on the value you provide to your audience. If you promote products that genuinely help people, you are more likely to succeed in the long run. And guys, if you are new to making money online or struggling with affiliate marketing, don't forget to check out the first link in the description. As I mentioned, get registered and watch my free masterclass. So this masterclass would be helping you to go from zero to making anywhere around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home. And guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. And that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.